Trailhead wasn't really marked, but I don't know, maybe this is it. Looks kind of like a path. But oh, okay. That wouldn't be a fun fall. Some train tracks not too far away, in case you hear that. I don't think that's part of the trail. Yeah, I don't think this was a part of the trailhead. Maybe I can keep looking. Okay, so I think I found it. This looks like a trail. I mean, there's some trash, so this might be it. Oh. Wow. That's pretty cool. Let's see, it's over this way. So there might be a trail down there too. Or this way. This way is wider, so let's go this way for now. These decaying leaves are not fun to walk on. It's kind of neat. Oh, there's a trail sign there. That's good. Or yeah, marker there. See, there's also a trail going down this way. Yeah, let's stick to the official trail for right now, since I've never been out here. Apparently lots of other people have been out here though. Don't litter. Oh, okay, that's where that first split came down, just right here. So I didn't really lose much. Another split. Put a trail marker here. This is certainly a pretty neat little area with all these rocks. Just wish it didn't have all that graffiti. Or this glass that I just walked over. I guess this used to be a party area, or still is, I don't know. Good job holding that up. Oops. Think of some caveman jokes here about clubbing people. Oh no, that's too lightweight. Okay, so we go down this way or this way. I don't see a marker for either. Well, let's go exploring this way. Neat little, I don't necessarily want to call it a cave, but maybe a cave in there, I don't know. Go down that way, I don't think so. Stay on the track. Man, with all these slits, I'm surprised I haven't seen a snake down here yet. Hey, a little bit of an opening up here. There's a staircase, so it must be another entrance. Hey. It's another trail marker, so I must have chosen the right way or went the wrong way and ended up at the right way. Trail marker, but doesn't want me to go that way, or does it want me to go that way? There's no additional markers. Well, let's go this way. Looks like a slide, but could be some steps, I don't know. See, the important thing is, though, I'm getting out. I'm working the legs. Working the heart. That's the, oh my. Oh my. I kind of like that one. That one makes me laugh. So yeah, this isn't a real rural trail, but that's okay, because at least I'm getting out. That's the important thing. These people need to get out, get moving, reconnect with nature in some way. It's not only good for your body, but it's good for your soul as well. Looks like a trail that way. Oh, work my way over these branches. It should be good to go. Pretty neat. Yeah, very nice area here. I like it. A little too much graffiti and some trash for me, but I like it. I'm gonna get off here now. Thank you for joining me on this short little hike. I'm gonna find my way out. And again, thank you for joining me, and make sure to get outside.